it's Emilia here. Happy New Year! Welcome to my new video. Today we are starting New Year with loads of love. So I will be creating a Valentine's card. Very easy card which you can make just in few minutes, and I thought it's a great way to tell someone that you care about them, that you love them, that they are special to you. So I am going to create a similar card. The next one will not be exactly the same as this one, but very similar. And before I will start, I'm going to show you what I will be using. First of all, I'm going to use a different card base now. I used the brown for my first card, and now I'm going to use a red one. This is 10.5 by 15 centimeters. I made it in unusual size because of the heart I'm using in the middle, and I want the card to be just slightly bigger than yeah, so it has the size as it has. And if you have a different heart, you can use different size of the card. It could be square or a DL card. I'm also using Lemoncraft delicious papers. You can use any papers which has wood patterns, which are red, brown, black. This has beautiful red papers, and I really like that dark brown as well. So I'm going to use that. I have 3 papers here, very light one, the red one for my heart, and the dark brown. Actually, I thought about using a strawberry paper for the heart. There is a one with strawberries somewhere here, and maybe I will take it out. We can oh, actually it's the other side of that light brown. I thought the strawberry heart could be beautiful as well, so we'll see. So that I use some of the dies with for my sentiment. I had a love here. I used definitely from this one I had I love you and XOXO, and I have them here, so I just cut them out of black paper, and I'm just going to emboss them in black. So I suggest to cut 3 layers, then we will stack them together and emboss the top layer. Okay, so any dies you have will be good for that. I also have, what else? I had that love, which is thick, just letters. I don't know unfortunately what brands are these dies, but if I will see it online, I will link it below the video. Okay, papers we've got. I will be using that heart as my template. I'm not using the heart die today. You will also need black embossing powder and ink to emboss. I will be using some brads, this dark brown or red, I don't know which one yet, but I've got these to choose. So if you have any brads on hand, that would be good. You will need some foam pads and some tools. I will be using the tracing wheel to emboss the edges of my paper and of the heart, a pencil to just trace the heart, something to grab your sentiment while we will be embossing it, scissors, tape, glue, hot glue gun, and a string. That's it. Okay, let's start. I'm going to finish my card in a minute, and before I go, I want to invite you to visit Lemoncraft Facebook page, where you can find lots of lovely inspirations. And also we still have a challenge running in January, so you have some days left to join if you would like. And thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you like the idea for my cards. I will be making more of these in very similar color combinations, and I'm hoping that you can make one too. If you will, please tag me on social media, Lady E Design or Emilia Sieradzan, where I would be able to find you and see your cards. Thank you very much for today again, and have a lovely creative day. Take care everyone. Bye!